Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video with AI avatar on Canva. First, you will need to log in into your Canva account, and if you haven't got one, you can just create one from scratch. It's very easy and totally free. And then on the left side of your screen, you're going to find an app menu. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to be directed into this page right here. In this page, you're going to find a lot of applications that you can use. And because we want to focus on creating an AI avatar, go ahead and scroll around on the AI powered application. And then you're going to want to search for this Nero app, which is the avatar by Nero. And then we're going to want to start with a new design. And then you can choose the size of your file or the size of your video. I'm just going to go ahead and use the default video one. Next, you're going to see selections of AI avatar face that you can use. There are 9 available faces, and you can make them say whatever you want them to say by inserting a prompt under the faces selection. You're going to see a text box under their faces, and over there you can insert some wording. Just make sure you pay attention to the limitation of character because they only allows around 250 character on each video. And you can also choose the language you want your AI avatar to speak. There are selections of language, so go ahead and choose that. And then you can also choose the voice of your AI video.
This audio is generated with Nero AI technology.
This audio is generated with Nero AI technology.
Alright, once you've chosen your audio as well as the language, you can go ahead and click on create a video. And if you haven't connected your Nero AI apps to your account, you're going to have to do that. So go ahead, connect, and then you're going to have to follow the steps that are appearing on the pop-up tab. Once you're done connecting your account to the Nero AI, your video are going to be created. And then as you can see, my video is done now. And I chose this AI avatar for my video.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you 10 fun facts about butterfly.
And it says exactly what I've written on the text box. And you can also notice that her mouth also follows the wording, which is what we expect from an AI avatar. And once you're satisfied with the avatar, you can also customize it to create a more interesting video. To do that, first you're going to want to remove your background by clicking on the remove background options on the edit video menu on the top left of your screen. And then you're going to wait until the video background is fully removed. But I think I should tell you that you can only remove your background if you're on Canva Pro. If you're using your free account, this option is not available. Alright, my background is removed, and now I can play around with my background, whether I want to fill it with colors or maybe I would like to add pictures in it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the element section, and I want my background to be a chalkboard background, so I'm going to go ahead and type in chalkboard. And then what I do next is I chose a chalkboard pictures that I want to use as my background, and then I adjust the background as well as my AI avatar. And then I'm also adding some combinations of font because I want to make my video more colorful as well as more interesting. And then I also inserted a butterfly element because my video is going to be about butterfly. I chose the one that's moving, and I also adjust the duration so that it's not going to all appearing at the same time. I want them to appear one by one. And I also added the animation of how each element is going to appear. And this is how my video looks like so far.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you 10 fun facts about butterfly.
If you notice, I add around 3 texts and 2 butterfly elements, and all of them are appearing differently because I set the duration as well as the animations on each element. And I told you before that if you want to create an AI avatar, you can only add up to 250 character on each frame, but don't worry, you can always add more frame if you would like to make your video longer. As you can see over here, I'm going to try and create one more frame by repeating the exact same step like what I did when I created my first frame. So you are totally free to change your AI avatar on each frame, but for today I'm just going to use the exact same one. And then you can also insert your wording or your text just like before, and then you can also change the language if you want, or you can also change the voice if you want. I'm not going to change the language or the voice for now, but feel free to do so, and then click on create your video. And just like before, we're going to wait until our avatar is fully created before we can decorate or before we can customize the background and add up some decoration. So I accidentally add my second frame on the first frame of my video, but don't worry, all you have to do is just create your second frame and then click on the video that you just created on your second frame, and then you can just delete the one that you inserted on your first frame. And then what I do next is again I remove the background because I want my first frame and my second frame to have the same background. And while you're waiting for your video background to be removed, you can take a look at the element section and choose on what elements you will want to put. As you can see, I sort of take my time on choosing what element I want to insert because I want my butterfly to have different colors. I want it to be colorful, but I don't really have a lot of selections, so I ended up using this orange one, just like the one that I've used on my first frame. And I don't want my second frame to look exactly like my first one. Over here, I'm just going to add a bunch of similar or the exact same butterfly, and then I'm going to adjust the animation on how they're appearing so that they all look like individual butterfly that are coming on their own instead of a pack of butterfly that came at the same time. And here you can also see that you can edit your AI avatar, you can add filters to it, or you can also adjust the brightness, the contrast, the highlight, the warmth of your AI avatar, the tint on it. So everything is customizable. You can choose whether you want your AI avatar skin to have more warm tone or cool tone, or you can also adjust the brightness so that it's going to match better with your background. And once you're done and satisfied with all of the settings and all of the elements that you have created, you can go ahead and download your AI video. You can do that by clicking on the share button on the top right of your screen and then scroll all the way down and you're going to find a download button. And this is how my video looks like.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you 10 fun facts about butterfly. Butterfly is a colorful insect that can fly.
And that is how you can create your own AI avatar with Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.